Hi everybody, my name is Brian Stone. I'm the president of Troptions. We're doing a 7-series video of explaining to people on how to use their Troptions, how to buy things with Troptions. We started with video 1, which is strategy. You have to have a strategy and understand the direction that you at least want to try to. Now you may move around from where you were planning on going, but at least you have a strategy and a direction. We told you to get involved, go to meetup groups and other area groups that you can get involved in for free with other cryptocurrency people. Birds of a feather flock together. You want to understand what else is going on in the industry of cryptocurrency. Then we said to educate yourself. Go to the website, go to Facebook pages, get involved, learn about Troptions, educate yourself on the cryptocurrency Troptions so that you can use it and be able to, what we're going to talk about now is explain it. Because if you can't explain your cryptocurrency to anybody, you're never going to sell or buy anything with it. You need to be able to help them open up a wallet, help them put Bitcoin in their wallet, help them show them how to use their wallet to send Troptions from your wallet to theirs or theirs to you, okay? And then what you want to do is you want to be able to to help them understand what Troptions is all about. So you need to get them involved by listening to you. Of course, if you can't explain that, explaining is one of the key ingredients of buying. The next video that we're doing is buying something with Troptions. But if you can't explain it, how are you going to get somebody to sell you something? That's one of the things that I have people that call me all week long and say, I just keep on getting turned down. And I say, can you explain Troptions? Can you explain it to me? Well, it's a cryptocurrency. That's not explaining it. Do you know the history of Troptions? Do you know where Troptions came from? Do you know how long Troptions has been around? Do you know what blockchain that Troptions is on? Do you know how to open up a wallet? Do you know how to create a wallet on Free Wallet? Do you know how to show somebody your wallet? Do you even know how to get in your wallet? If you can't explain these simple things, you will never, ever, ever sell or buy anything with Troptions. It just won't work. I mean, because nobody's going to listen to you. Nobody is going to sell you anything because you can't explain it. So being able to explain the asset that you have is so important. So it goes back to education, which is, again, very important. You have to educate yourself on the asset that you have. You have to understand what you have and what you can do with it in order to be able to get the fullest use of it. And that's really one of the most important ingredients of this whole thing is being able to explain what Troptions is. Now, who do you explain it to? Well, one thing you can do is when you go to the meetup groups, people are going to say, what kind of cryptocurrency you have? You're going to say, I have Troptions. They're going to say, what is Troptions? And you're going to say, whatever it is that you know to explain Troptions to them. And that is basically tell them the facts. That's it. Facts don't lie. Troptions is a proof of use coin. It's not a proof of work. It's not a proof of stake. If you don't know what proof of work is and proof of stake is, then go to the website Troptions Exchange with an X.com and go to the glossary and understand what proof of work, proof of use, and proof of stake is so that you can explain it to people and get them interested in the coin. You want people interested in your coin because the more people that are interested in your coin, the more places you have to use your coin. So don't sit back and say you can't do anything with Troptions if you're not out there learning or talking to people about the investment that you've made or the asset that you hold. If you don't tell them, they don't know. So get out there, teach people, explain to people, and tell them what you have, and the name of your currency is Troptions. My name is Brian Stone. I'm the president of Troptions, and we're going to do more videos just for you.